Hey YouTubers, this is Renee coming to you today with just a short video. So, of course, I'm upset because I had made 2 orders from MAC and they had sent me like a couple of messages, back order, whatever. So UPS just um delivered these 2 little packages. Of course, well, everything that I ordered was big orders, and so I'm about to open this, and I'm supposed to get like an order tomorrow. So I just decided to go ahead and do this little unboxing. And actually, this is not really an unboxing, this is like a little unpackaging. But I said I would try to do some videos, so I'm gonna do something. So I don't know what this actually is in here. I'm gonna be just as surprised as you are. I mean, like, really? Oh, my brush. So this is actually the 170 brush. I've been wanting this brush for a minute, and let me see where I can open it. I'm not feeling my best today either. I'm on my way to take x-rays and stuff, and hopefully, but yes, this is the MAC 170. So I'm add this to my collection. I'm so mad because I had like, oh my god, I just went kind of like crazy on my order. And so out of 2 orders, I get 2 little packages, and I'm supposed to get 2 big boxes. So I'm opening up the other. I guess something is better than nothing, I guess. Let's see. Because I put in an order, let me see, Monday, and I put in an order Friday. Oh, let's see what this is. Oh, wow. This is like my free, this is my free gift, which is the Scrobe cream. Oh, wow. Okay. So, oh, okay. So y'all see how little this is? I hope you can see it. Like, wow. Okay. So this is like the original. This is the pink one. So thank you, Matt. So can y'all send my other 2 orders? I mean, like, it's already paid for. I mean, like, cause I ordered some brushes, some makeup. I mean, I ordered some more of the Christmas the Christmas collection that's out, because I actually have the one. Matter of fact, if y'all give me just a few minutes, I can show y'all exactly. I have this palette, which is so beautiful, and pink is my favorite color. This palette is so beautiful. And I know a lot of you probably have it, but look at them colors. Oh my God. Just so beautiful. And I ordered the other palette, the one that has, I forget how many colors it has in it, but it's much larger than this one. So I'm waiting on that palette um, to come. I really love these colors. Look at that. One thing I can say about MAC eyeshadows, the color payoff, I mean, to me, is good. And this palette is from what's this? The Shook, the Snow Globe collection. So it's the Rocket to Fame eyeshadow palette, and this one has 12. If I'm not mistaken, maybe the other one has 24. So, yeah, I'm just waiting on the other palette to come from this collection. But I'm not the type, like I had said in my previous, I'm not the type that try to get all the collections and stuff, because I stopped had stopped buying so many uh a lot of makeup and stuff. But you know, I do like MAC um eyeshadows and everything. So hopefully I'll get the rest of my stuff, but at least I did get my brush. I hope my other brushes come in. But this brush, I think, is um, when I looked again, because I should have ordered two, and I was looking again, and they didn't. It was out again. So thank God I got one. Hopefully I can get another one to have as my backup. So oh God, I just thank God I did get it, but I wanna get. The only thing that I do hate is like the weakness of the handle. So I do be hating that one. That's why when you wash them, you do have to be careful to not get water inside of the handle. So um, do be careful um, to the newbies. You know, if you're a makeup artist, or even if you're not a makeup artist, a new beginner, you know, be careful when you wash your brushes to not get water inside of this metal part, between the metal part and um, the handle. Okay, so guys, that's all. This is a short video, and I hope everybody have a blessed and wonderful day. Goodbye.